Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So we are in full spring over here. Everything is blooming. It looks gorgeous. And the temperatures are finally warm enough during the day and at night that we are gonna go ahead and move our chicken nuggets out to pasture. So let me show you these guys and what we're gonna be doing. Look at these guys. They're huge. And they are dirty. It's time for them to go out. So these guys are 4 weeks old now. I probably would have put them out last week, but with our weather being as cold as it was, I didn't want to put them out there yet. But it's plenty warm enough. So we're gonna go ahead and move them out. I'm gonna pull the side-by-side out because we're gonna be putting them in boxes in the side-by-side, taking them down to our orchard where we have the electric fencing and put them in their new home. So we got the side-by-side here. Each of these boxes are gonna be filled with 5 chickens each. We can close the lids so they don't jump out while we're driving over to the electric fencing. So I'm gonna go in here, grab the chickens, hand them over to my niece and nephews, and they'll put them in the boxes for me. And then we'll head on down to the orchard. All right, we've got them all inside here. Let's take them down to the orchard. All right, that's 15 down. We got about 5 more batches to go. All right, last batch is going out. It's completely empty in here now. I went ahead and did another count as I was putting them in there. We've got 80 birds. So we started out with 84. We did lose 4. So that's 80 meat birds that we have now. And hopefully they all make it to butcher day. All right, friends, so that's all 80 meat birds are now in the pasture. And they will stay here until it's time for processing day, which will be in about 4 more weeks. So they've got 4 weeks to eat grass, eat bugs, and enjoy life. All those ones right there, I'm gonna try to get them off the fence right now because I'm gonna turn it on. I don't need them getting shocked. All right, it's been about an hour since they were out, and they're all doing really good. They're staying within the fence. All right, friends, so when it gets dark, we will come down and put these guys inside of their chicken tractor there. That way they will be safe at night from predators. Plus we have the electric fence that will be on all night long. And then tomorrow we'll come back out and let them out and see how they did for their first night. So thanks for hanging out with me, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.